Casebook on AI and Gender Empowerment was launched at the India AI Impact Summit 2026 as an important step towards promoting inclusive and ethical artificial intelligence in India. The initiative was developed under the India AI Mission by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology in partnership with UN Women with support from the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Need of gender responsive AI. Gender responsive AI is needed because systems depend on data. If the data contains bias, AI can repeat and even increase discrimination. Women, especially in developing countries, often face digital divide, lack of access to finance, limited educational opportunities, and online harassment. Therefore, AI must be designed in a way that supports women's empowerment rather than creating new inequalities. Feature of Casebook on AI and Gender Empowerment. Key features of Casebook on AI and Gender Empowerment are as follows. Casebook on AI and Gender Empowerment brings together 23 real-world AI solutions selected from 233 submissions across more than 50 countries, mainly from the global south. These solutions demonstrate how artificial intelligence can be used to promote gender equality and women's empowerment. The solutions cover important sectors such as healthcare, financial inclusion, digital safety, climate resilience, education, and access to justice. Solutions were chosen through a rigorous evaluation process based on measurable impact and real-world implementation. An independent evaluation committee comprising officials from Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (MOWCD) and UN Women assessed submissions based on real-world deployment, measurable gender impact, and evidence-based outcomes. The Casebook serves as a practical guide for policymakers, researchers, and innovators seeking to integrate gender-responsive principles into AI systems. The initiative demonstrates collaborative governance. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology provided strategic direction. UN Women contributed technical expertise on gender and AI, and MOWCD ensured gender-responsive standards. Casebook on AI and Gender Empowerment significance for India. Casebook on AI and Gender Empowerment is significant for India because it promotes inclusive growth by ensuring that AI benefits women and marginalized groups. It supports India's vision of democratic and responsible AI governance. It helps reduce the digital gender divide by encouraging women's participation in technology and STEM fields. International recognition, including the visit of Antonio Guterres at the summit, strengthened India's global leadership in responsible AI. Challenges in promoting gender responsive AI in India. Gender bias in data and algorithms. Many AI systems are trained on data that already reflect social inequalities. If datasets are not gender sensitive, AI tools may unintentionally reinforce stereotypes or discrimination. Low participation of women in STEM and AI fields. Women are still underrepresented in technology, research, and leadership roles in AI. This limits diverse perspectives in the design and development of AI systems. Digital gender divide. In many rural and marginalized communities, women have less access to global devices, internet connectivity, and digital literacy, which restricts their ability to benefit from AI-driven solutions. Scaling and sustainability issues. While pilot projects may show success, expanding them across states and ensuring long-term funding, training, and monitoring requires strong institutional capacity and coordination. Ethical and regulatory gaps. Rapid AI development often moves faster than policy frameworks, creating challenges in ensuring accountability, transparency, and data protection. Way forward, India should promote digital literacy among women, encourage their participation in AI innovation, and ensure ethical AI regulation. Public, private, and international partnerships must continue to strengthen inclusive AI governance.